Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from iRepair Autos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change out your front park lamp bulb. Those things go bad, they blow. You should replace them in pairs, not just the one that's bad. Here you see this one's lit up on the driver's side. On the passenger side, it's not. So stay with me, I'm going to show you how to do this. Part number, part links are in the description below, so feel free to click on that, check that out as well, and let's get to it. Hey, but before we get started, I know you've been meaning to subscribe, so do that now. Thanks. Start by opening the hood, going inside the compartment. Once in the compartment, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you over to the side where the light is, and I'm going to turn it around and bring you down into the headlight. And the headlight, you can see my finger pointing right to it, so it's that bulb right there. So now that we know it's the bulb with the blue, I'm going to be using this long needle nose to gain access. Looking back inside, so this is the bulb right here, very little tiny bulb. I always like to look at my bulbs to see if I could see that they're actually blown. Quite obvious that this one is. So to remove it, you simply hold on to it and plop it out like that. 28, 25 bulbs. Replacements is what I'm going to be using. Taking a new bulb, you just put it in place, slide it in, push it in. Then I like to wipe off my grease. These are not halogen bulbs. The bulb is back in place. We're going to put the housing back into the hole, turn it to lock it in place, and then put the electrical connection back on. Paying attention to this notch. That notch must be up on the side. Slide it back in that hole. So I've slid it back into the hole. Now it needs to be turned around so that they will lock in place. Then taking the electrical connection, slide it on. So you hear it click, which I just did. Then we're going to check to see if it's working. Driver's side, shoot over to the passenger side. And that bulb is a lot brighter because it's brand new than this bulb. So I'm going to go ahead and change this bulb now. A little bit trickier because more things are in the way over here, but the concept is the same. I'm going to take this out, put in a new bulb. On the driver's side, I've gone ahead and turned it and taken it out, leaving the electrical connected to it just for leverage. I'm going to disconnect the bulb. The bulb is hot because the bulb was good. Taking the new bulb, connect it up, push it in. Now, what a lot of shops do, what a lot of people do is when they're putting this back in, since it was so hard to push in, turn, and lock, what a lot of people do, they'll just take, holding the electrical connection for leverage, they'll take it and they'll feed it back to where it needs to go, right here, and put it into the hole. So as I was saying, a lot of shops will just push it in and leave it at that, so that the next time they can easily get it out, especially on the driver's side. I'm going to turn mine and lock it back in place. So ladies and gentlemen, that's the park lamp bulb replacement video. Every Monday there's a new video, so be sure to like, share, subscribe so that you get notified whenever I release a new video.